Hey guys, today we're going to talk about changing these to percents and then ordering them. So we're just going to talk about how to change them to percents again. This is kind of like what we talked about last time. We just need a little more practice. So 5/8 to change that to a percent. I can set it up as a fraction, 5/8, and something over 100. Now we can't get from 8 to 100 easily. Since we've been doing proportions lately, we could solve this like a proportion because these are equivalent fractions. You could do 100 times 5 divided by 8, but I don't want to do it that way because that seems like a lot of work. So I'm just going to instead use my other way to change a fraction to a decimal and then change it to a percent. So 8 can fit into 5 0 times, so I add a decimal 0 and bring my decimal straight up. 8 can fit into 50 6 times, which gives me 48. I have 2 left over. Add another 0 and bring it down. 8 fits into 20 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract, I get 4. Add another 0, bring it down. And 8 fits into 45 times. So now I have them all as decimals. So we change decimals to percents really easily by using Dr. Pepper, remember. So I'm going to start with 0.625. To change that to a percent, I move my decimal 2 times towards pepper. That would be 62.5%. So 62.5%. 0.1, it's a decimal. I move it 2 times. I'm out of spaces, but I keep going and I fill in a 0. That's 10%. 20% is already a percent, so I don't have to worry about changing that. So then 62 hundredths, move it 2 times, that's 62%. So we changed all of these numbers into percents. So if we flip this page, we can easily place these on the number line. I had them mixed up. We have 62.5, 62, 10, and 20. So I can just look at my number line and I can think, well, 0 would be here, 1 would be here. And thinking of percents, 1 as a percent would be 100%. Well, half of that would be 50%. And then I can even split that into 5 sections on each side, which would mean a total 10 sections. If we split it into a total 10 sections, each section is worth 10%. So 10 here, 40, 20, and 30, 60, 90, 70, 80. And then it's super easy to place our percents there. 62% would be right here close to 60. And 62.5 would almost be right on top of it because it's just 0.5 next to it. 20 is already on here. 20 would go right here. And 10 is on there. 10 would go right there. So super easy to put them on a line. And y'all are going to practice that on your own. Thanks.